Hi, I'm Loli, and I'm so glad you are here. We are going to start this project with this picture frame that I got at my local thrift shop. I'm just going to go ahead and separate all the pieces. It came with 3 cardboard pieces. I'm going to put them to the side and use for other DIYs. So here I'm removing that glass. We're not going to use it for this project. So I'm going to take that frame and paint it with 2 coats of this black rich front fold card. While that dries, I'm going to take the back end and I'm going to take some of this contact paper from Dollar Tree. I'm going to cut exactly how much I need to cover this up, trying to keep it as straight as possible using the edge as my guide. This paper comes with a little lip. I'm going to remove that piece where the lip is and use it as a guide to keep everything nice and straight. Once I had that nicely adhered, I'm going to take the other piece and remove it in small sections as I smooth the contact paper or the adhesive wall decor piece, as they call it at Dollar Tree, onto the back end. Now it's time to just reposition it onto the frame. So I'm just going to take the frame after it dried and we're going to slide the back end right back into its place. Then I took one of these new wood signs that I got from Dollar Tree and we're going to go ahead and remove that hanger and the sticker on the back. Actually, I left the sticker. And then paint it with 2 coats of white paint. Then I'm going to use the rich black chalk paint from Folk Art and we're going to completely paint the entire frame of this sign. Once that was done, I'm going to go ahead and paint also the little piggy and the chicken. Then using the same paint, I'm going to go ahead and paint the words. But here I wanted it to look a little bit worn, so I'm not completely covering the letters. Friend, I just want to give you a quick welcome to my video. Thank you for being here. And if you like any of the projects today, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe and leave me a comment and let me know which is your favorite. Alright, so next we're going to use this most colorful Waverly and I'm going to go ahead and paint the little leaves over the piggy. This is turning out so cute. Alright, so now what we're going to do is go ahead and bring back that frame we did in the beginning and we are going to glue this sign right onto the middle. And to do that, I use some wood hot glue. And that is it for this one. Look how cute this turned out. I love it. Let me know what you think. Friends, this video is part of the What Will You Make challenge that is hosted monthly by Connie from Connie's Workshop and DIYs and Brenda from Rustic and Lace DIYs. And their guest host this month is Kathy from Kathy Joe's DIYs. The links to their channels and to their playlist will be linked in the description box below and also pinned in the comments. Make sure that you're heading over to their channels and to the playlist and show everyone some love. For the next inspiration today, we are going to use this wooden saddle box thing that I got from Dollar Tree on the plus section for $3. We're going to go ahead and remove all that wrapping and paint the frame with 2 coats of white paint. Once that was said and done, we're going to come in and paint the inside portion using Folk Art's rich black paint. Then I took one of these piggies from Dollar Tree. I'm going to go ahead and remove that tag and that jute cord from it. And we're just going to embellish it a little bit by using these little letters that I got as rubber transfers from Dollar Tree. I'm just cutting off the letters that spell out Farm Fresh. Then I'm going to go ahead and carefully position the letters onto the middle of my piggy. I pretty much eyeballed exactly where to put the letters, but you can use a ruler or something like that to help you keep everything nice and straight. Once I was happy with the positioning, I'm just going to go ahead and use my scraper and go ahead and rub those down and remove the film on top of them. And it turned out so cute. Look at it. Now it's time to attach this little piggy onto the shadow box that we painted earlier. So we're going to bring it over and using some E6000, I'm going to glue the pig right there onto the center. If you enjoyed this video, make sure that you hit that like button, leave me a comment, let me know which one is your favorite, and share because sharing is caring. So send this video to a friend so they're able to enjoy it as much as you do. Alright, now it's time to adhere this right into the center and I just let it sit there overnight. Next day, I came back with some of these rubber transfers from Dollar Tree and I'm going to add it to the corners and the top of it. I'm just using my little scraper tool there to make sure that every single detail of the rubber transfers over to the background. And look how cute that turned out. I just kept scraping and at the same time lifting. And if for any reason any of the leaves were coming apart, I just put it right down and kept on scraping, and it looked like it never was an issue. And as you see right there, I'm using the same one and I'm adding it only in those little black spaces. I wanted to make this look like a little nice luscious area of greenery in which little piggy which is hanging out. Remove that, and that is it for that one. Look how cute that is. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I want to take a quick moment to say thank you to my subscribers for subscribing, commenting, liking, sharing. All these things help me tremendously. They help my channel grow, and I appreciate you very much for them. And if you have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe and join the Lori D's Creations family. It is free and it means the world to me. Alright guys, next inspiration today, we're going to use one of these signs that we got from Dollar Tree. I was amazed when we got these for $1.25. Now go ahead and remove all the packaging, and I'm going to take some of this spackle from Dollar Tree and fill in the top section and the bottom of it, because we are going to repurpose this and use it as a frame for another piece. I set it aside to dry, and once it dried, I went and sanded it down. Now I'm going to take some of this house paint from Krylon, and I'm going to completely paint the entire frame. Then I took some of the rich black paint from Folk Art, and I'm going to go ahead and paint the entire thing. Then I took this sign from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to go ahead and sand off the edges, and we are going to glue it onto the middle of this sign, making sure that the bottom portion, which is wider, will be covering up that on there. Just press it down until it was nicely adhered. Then I took some of this cord that I got recently at Dollar Tree, and I'm going to add some glue to the edge and make sure that it's nicely put together, and then I'm going to cut off the excess to have a nice straight ending. And then I'm going to glue this to the perimeter of the entire cutting board, removing any excess glue that just seeped through. And this is what it's looking like. And that is it for this one. Don't forget to let me know what you think. And here we go with the final reveal. Don't forget to let me know what you think of each one of these. I hope you enjoy them. My friends, as always, thank you so much for watching. Be blessed, be a blessing, and craft responsibly. And if you would like to follow me on social media, here are my social media links. And don't forget to visit my friends in the playlist. If you would like to watch some more of my videos, here's a suggestion, and you are more than welcome to binge away with this playlist as well. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. You're amazing. Bye.